You've seen the headline, a Singaporean getting a record $4,600 a month from the CPF. Everyone screenshots it as a goal. Here's what nobody tells you, that 4,600 isn't one number, it's 3 bundled into one. And once you separate them, the whole thing makes sense. The reflex is, how do I get to 4,000? Wrong target. Because you're aiming at a blended figure. Read the record. About $4,600 a month is the actual retirement account payout. Now that's capital being paid out on a schedule. But there's another $2,500 a month that's just interest on over $1 million sitting in her other CPF accounts untouched. Add them and you get around $7,000 a month in total. Chase the headline number as one thing and you set a goal that doesn't even describe what's happening. Separate them and you can actually see the machine. Now, here's the single rule that is the entire case, and almost nobody knows it. After 55 years old, you can top up your retirement account each year up to a ceiling. Now, here's the magic number. That ceiling caps what you put in, but it's measured against your principal only. The interest you earn never counts against it. So every year, the ceiling rises a little. You top up the increment, and all the interest underneath just keeps compounding, permanently outside the cap, with no limit ever applied to it. Do that for 16 years, and the balance ends up 46% higher than the ceiling it was never allowed to exit. The ceiling caps what you contribute. It never caps what it becomes. That one sentence is the whole record. And now, the part most CPF hack videos leave out, because it's not as sexy. 2/3 of the top-ups weren't clever planning. They were 2 one-time policy changes in 2016 and 2025 that suddenly opened up huge headroom in a single January. Those were windfalls, not a strategy you can repeat. Now, strip them out, and the part a normal household could actually replicate was about $670 a month every January for years. That's the honest number. Still powerful because of the compounding, but it's discipline, not a secret. Anyone who sells you how to get $4,600 without telling you 2/3 of it was policy luck is selling you the headline, not the record. So here's the useful part. I rebuilt this entire case from published CPF rules, the ceilings, the 4% floor, and the interest tiers, and it lands within 0.5% of the reported figure. That's on a page you can open right now, spiking.com/CPF. And at the bottom is a calculator. You put in the year you turn 55 and what's in your retirement account, and it runs the exact same engine on your numbers. In your browser, nothing stored, nothing sent. Go see your own figure instead of somebody else's headlines. And if you want me to walk through how this fits into the bigger picture, the CPF, the stocks, the options, the property, that's the free masterclass. August 3rd and 4th, 8 p.m. Singapore time. Register at spiking.com/masterclass. Now, the honest part, and CPF deserves extra care. This is a reconstruction from public rules, not anyone else's statement, and not financial advice. And topping up is not free money. It is irreversible. That capital is locked for life. It can't meet a medical bill, a family emergency, or an opportunity. The 4% floor is guaranteed only through the end of 2026 and extended year by year, not forever. And there's a real trade. A drawdown pays more per month but stops. The newer annuity pays less but never runs out. Bigger monthly number is not automatically the bigger deal or the better deal. This is education, not advice, and nothing here is a recommendation to top up, defer, or move a single dollar. What it gives you is one thing. You understand the machine before you touch it. Now, back to the headline. $4,600 a month look like a target. Read the record and it's 3 separate flows built on one rule most people have never heard. A ceiling that caps what you put in, never what it grows into. The story was a number to envy. The record is a machine you can understand and check on your own numbers. That's the line between the crowd and the record. Run your own number at spiking.com/CPF. It takes 2 minutes. Then come understand where it fits. Free. August 3rd and 4th, 8 p.m. Singapore time, spiking.com/CPF. masterclass. And the next time you see a jaw-dropping CPF payout, don't ask how to hit that number. Ask how many numbers it actually is. That's the whole game.